lightweight champion of the world,
Islam Makhacev.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is the lightweight champion of the world, Makhacev. Islam, you said I told you. I was going to show you. How good does it feel to not only win again over Alexander Volkanovski, but to win in that fashion?
First of all, always win or loss, alhamdulillah. And second, I'm not celebrating win today because the crazy thing what happened around the world. Palestine, we stand here with you. All what's going on is you. Stop this.
Islam, I was talking to Javier, he said Coach Magomed came up with the game. Did you guys prepare for that opening in Alexander Volkanovski's defenses to get that high kickoff on it?
Yeah, honestly, coach, I have a great team. We always did this in the lucky room.
Masuk kau dia. Masuk dia.
Push me very hard. That's why it's happening today. And I told you, it's not like Australia. Here is my second goal. All fans, thank you. This is because of you. Always support me. Thank you.
Islam, let's take a look at your game. It's one thing to do it in the locker room, do it in the training room, but to see it come to fruition. How good does it feel to watch it and know that all those reps finally paid off?
Head kick berhasil.
Boom.
Lumayan tu.
Memang jangan main bulan ya.
Karena dia udah pingsan.
He gonna fight all 5 rounds. He never give up. He is a real champion. Thank you, Alex, again.
He is a real champion, and you are the lightweight champion of the world. Congratulations once again, my friend. You have any more messages for your fans here in Abu Dhabi and around the world?
Всем спасибо еще раз, кто за меня болеет дома в России. Еще раз хочу сказать. Наши дуа с вами, наши молитвы с вами. Палестина, мы с вами. Сектор Газа, мы с вами.
Islam, before I let you go, you are starting to put together an unbelievable resume as a great champion. Islam, would you like to see Justin Gaethje?